question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 9, a plus b plus c is equal to 9, and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, then find a square plus b square plus c square. So, can you know how to find a square plus b square plus c square? No. So that means we know the given solution is given a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26. We know that the identity a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, like that x plus y plus z whole square, x plus y plus z whole square. That identity we told before, what x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x square plus 2yz plus 2zx. The same way here I say a plus b plus c whole square is identically equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is the identity. We convert this identity. See, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus all are take a common 2. Understood or not? 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. What is common here? 2. Take 2 as common. ab plus bc plus ca. ab plus bc plus ca. Thereafter substitute the value. A plus b plus c is equal to 9. ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26. You substitute here a plus b plus c. So what is here? 9. Square is there. If you mention square is always, and that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2 into plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. What is the ab plus bc plus ca? 26. Since according to problem, given problem, now see 9 square. What is meant by 9 square? 81. 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81 equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 226. What will we get? 52. Hereafter a square plus b square plus c square, that is equal to 81 minus 52. Question mark. 81 minus 52. We are transferring 52 to the left hand side. 81 minus 52. But again we are transferring a square plus b square plus c square. 81 minus 52. Then we get what is subtraction? B square plus c square is equal to, subtracting to get 29 is the final result. Understood now? A square plus b square plus c square is equal to, the difference between 81 and 52 is 29. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So here 99 whole cube. 99 whole cube. We can convert this as 100 minus 1. 100 to minus 1, 99. Whole cube always. 100 to minus 1. So the suitable identity is x minus y whole cube. X minus y whole cube. That is equal to x cube minus 3 into xy into x minus y minus y cube. And again we can convert this as sigma. X cube minus 3x square y plus 3 3xy square minus y cube, which is suitable. You can substitute the values. See, minus into plus, minus. See, minus is there. 3x into x, 3x square, 3x x y into x. So 3x square y, 3x square y. Thereafter minus into minus plus. So 3xy into y, 3xy square, and then minus y cubed. Understood? Next, here it is 100 minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to 100 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 and 100 minus 1 minus 1 cube. Okay. Thereafter 100 cube means 100. Tell me, Nana. This is 100 cube means how many we get? 10 lakh. 100 cube means 10 lakh. So how we get 10 lakh? 100 hundreds are 10,000. 100 hundreds are 10,000. 10,000 into 100? 10 lakh. Minus 3 into 100? 300. 300 into 100? 300 into 100. What do we get, Nana? 300 into 100. 30,000 minus 300 minus of plus 300 and 1 cube means minus 1. 1 cube means minus 1. Hereafter add what is plus? Tell me now. 10 lakh 300. 10 lakh 300 minus 30,000. 30,001. 30,001. How will you get 30,001? Minus to minus to must be added. Simple must be minus. Then you subtract 10 lakh 300. 10 lakh 300 minus 30,001. 30,001. So what we get? 10 minus 1? 9. 9 minus 0? 9. 2 minus 0? 2. Here. 0 minus 0? 0. Next. 10 minus 3? 7. 9. So it's the final result. 9,70,299. Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
998 whole cube. 998 whole cube. Second question to yourself. And 998 whole cube means we can convert this as 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 whole cube. 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Same formula. X minus y whole cube. X minus y whole cube. So we can write that is equal to x cubed minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cubed. So by using that formula, see 1000 minus 2 whole cubed is equal to 1000 cubed minus 3 into 1000 into 2 and 1000 minus 2 minus 2 cubed. Y means 2 cubed. Next, 1000 cubed means 1000. How many zeros are there? 3. 3 times. How many? 9. So we get 0, 0, 0, 0. So comma. How will we get 1000? Lakh. Thousands, here ones to tens to 100. Here it is 1000, lakh, 100 crore. How many crore, Babu? 100 crore. 100 crore minus 3000 are 3000. 3000 twos are 6,000. 6,000 thousands are 6,000 thousands. So that means 6,000 again 3 zeros. Again 3 zeros. That means 60 lakh minus 6,000 twos are 6,000 twos are plus 6,000 to the 12,000. 12,000 and minus 8. Minus 8. Okay. So what? How you get minus 8 to 2 keep means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So now add. What we need to add now? Only plus 1 sir. So what is there? 12,000 is there. 12,000. That means 100 crore. 100 crore. 12,000. 100 crore. 12,000. When you add these two, you get 100 crore. 12,000 and minus 16,000. Sorry, 16 lakh 8. 16 lakh 8. When you subtract these two, you get the final result. 100 crore 12,000. 100 crore 12,000 minus 60 lakh 8. Subtract, you get the answer. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 0 9. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 0 0. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus nothing 9. Here it is 9. That means what is the terminal now? 99 crore
40 lakh
40 lakh 11,992. 992 is the result. Factorize each of the following. All of you look at the board. Factorize each of the following. Here, see, 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. It is right. Suitable identity is x cubed plus y cubed plus 2x square y plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. 3xy square. So for this identity, that is equal to x plus y whole cubed. X plus y whole cubed. So by using this identity, we can make this see 8 a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to, we can convert this as 2a whole cubed plus b cubed as it is plus here 12a square b. That means 3x square y. 3x square y. Now 3 into x means what? X means 2a. 3a square b. 3a square, what is b? Only b. Only b here. And plus 3, what is x? 2a. Y square means b square. Y square means b square. Understood, ma? So we can just we are converting 8a cubed means 2a cubed. 12a square means, see, 3 2s are, here it is 2a whole square. 2a whole square means 2 square means 4. 3 2s are, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. And 6 2s are, oh sorry, 3 2s are 6. A into b square, ab square. Same. So now we can write this as a plus b whole, x plus y whole cubed. X means 2a plus b, y means b whole cubed. Just again see what is the question. 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this is equal to, we can convert the suitable identity. See, 2a whole cubed. 2a whole cubed. So after 2 cubed means again we get 8. So 2a whole cubed plus b cubed same plus 3 into x square y. X means 2a. X means what? 2a. So 2a square and b and plus 3 into x y square. X y square. X means 2a. Y square means b square. After we get 2a plus b whole cube. We can write this as 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. 3 times. Okay. So again we can't mention above power. Power shouldn't mention here. We are writing factors. Second, third, do it yourself. All are same. This is also same because you feel it is a fraction. Okay. So fraction is nothing but very simple. Here also we can convert the formula. It is x cubed minus 3x square y, 3x square y, and plus 3xy square, 3xy square, and minus y cube, that is identically equal to x minus y whole cube. Same formula. Okay. And see here, 8p whole cube means 2p whole cubed minus 3 into x square y. What is x here? 2p. So 3 into 2p, x square means 2p whole square, y means 1 by 5. Y means 1 by 5. So after we multiply 3 2s are here 4, 2p square means 4p. So 3 4s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So 12p by 12p square by 5 again. And then plus 6 by 25. That means 3xy square. 3 into what is x? 2p. And what is p? What is p? 1 by 5. 3xy square, you know? 1 by 5 whole square. 1 by 5 whole square. So again 1 by 5 whole square. 1 square means 1, no? 5 square means 25. 5 square means 25. Here 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And p into 1, p net. So then minus 1 by 5 whole cube. 1 by 5 whole cube. 5 means 5 whole cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay now. See again once again. Here 8p cubed means 2p whole cube. 2 cubed means 8. And minus 3x square y. We are converting the whole question like 3x square y. 3. We have taken 3. X means already we have taken here 2p. So 2p whole square. 2p whole square means see. 2p whole square means 2p into 2p. It is equal to 4p. Again 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12p. Right? We get 12p. So here square. And we take 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is a y. And plus 3 into xy square. X already we taken 2p. Y means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 whole square minus y cube. Y cube means 1 by 5 whole cube. That is equal to x minus 5. What is x? 2p. What is y? 1 by 5 whole cube. This is the answer. Now we can write this as 2p minus 1 by 5. 2p minus 1 by 5. 2p minus 1 by 5. So fill up this.